welcome back. So I hope you guys are doing very well, and today I am going to unbox my recent Amazon orders. So let's see, what did I purchase recently. So my Amazon orders are like most realistic orders and not so fancy one. Everything is so affordable and required in the daily life routine. So the first thing I bought is the most mandatory sunscreen from Doux. It's a silicone sunscreen. Where did it go? Yeah, silicone sunscreen gel which has SPF 50, PA+++, and I've used this sunscreen before just once because when I was in India, my dermatologist recommended the sunscreen. So this is basically not a liquid sunscreen. It has this matte kind of finish, and it does not leave any white cast. I just opened it and I really don't have the heart of showing the texture to you because I kind of have a little OCD, I guess. But still, I'll show a little bit of. See, so this is like, you can see it will have a matte finish. It is not a liquid thing. So you will not even feel that you have applied the sunscreen here. It doesn't smell. It has a baby smell. So this does not leave any white cast. That's the main plus point. I bought the sunscreen, and I think it's for all the skin types. So since my sunscreen has come to an end, I bought the new one. So this is the first thing. The second thing is, so I will say that I love to write a lot. Not story or not diary or anything. Even though we are in a digital techie world and we do have notes app and all the other digital diary in our phone, I still do prefer to write the daily task or the daily routine with my own hands, with my own pen. So I bought a 3 A6 pocket diary kind of notebook. Amazon had some sale which was happening, so I got it like at a pack of 3. I didn't purchase 3 different books. It came in a pack. So this is actually an A6 notebook, which is so handy. You can keep it in your bag, and you have a pen holder also here, so you can keep your pen inside this. And when you open this, you can see a to-do list. You can put the date and to-do list, so you can check the things which you have completed. So the other 2 things I bought is for my gym, because my trainer asked me to buy an ankle belt. So I bought an ankle belt online. This is 2 kg and I cannot go for more than 2 kg yet. I'm not strong enough yet. Probably in future I may increase the weight. So this was necessary for my leg workout. So she asked me to bring a ankle belt for the legs. So I bought it online. And the next item is, I'm planning to do a dance choreography. So I need kneecap for this, because already you cannot do that without kneecap on the floor. So kneecap was necessary. I had kneecaps before, but my dad took it and left to India, so I had to purchase new kneecaps. And my kneecap size is small. Even for small, I struggle. I think it's a bit loose for me. So these are like the 4 most realistic Amazon orders I purchased recently. So I just want to talk a little about the unboxing thing and Amazon orders. Not just Amazon orders, the online orders which we purchase. So mostly as a girl, you know what is the most dopamine effect that actually gives dopamine to me? The notification of your order is out for delivery. It's the first thing. The next thing is you have your orders being placed. That also gives me high adrenaline thing. And also whenever I am searching something, even though whatever the makeup or the dresses or shoes or whatever online, and when I'm adding it to cart, that gives me most happy hormones. Even though I don't want to buy it or purchase it, adding all these items to cart even gives me that dopamine effect. I don't know, it makes me so happy. Not just me, I think most of the girls can relate to it. It makes us very happy. And especially when you are unboxing the package, when you're opening it and when you're taking it out, that's also the highest dopamine. Okay, for me, that's it. And I think for you also it should be. It has to be. Because who doesn't love materials, right? So yeah, that's it for today. And I hope you like the video. And if you want to watch me again, you can come here. And bye for now. See you in the next video. Ta-ta. Bye-bye.